What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I think it's going to be our last video to the golf, maybe or maybe not, maybe we'll have one more video, but I think this is going to be the last one.
I think we're gonna do in this video just the final touches, and then we're gonna go for a drive and do a review basically.
And do a review.
Yeah.
We still have to like put on the tip of the exhaust and a few like plates there at the back for the bumper. We have to cover those stuff up. And then I think like the door handles and stuff, and then we are done with the car.
Yeah.
So maybe you'll see it one or two more times before we sell it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna send it for a photo shoot. And also guys, before we start with the new build, we have to sell the car first. So we're gonna start with the Beetle. We're just gonna paint the Beetle, and then after that, hopefully the car is sold and we can start with our new build.
Yeah, that's gonna be an epic build.
That's gonna be a cool build. So
yeah.
But for now we're just gonna do the finishing touches and go get on with it.
Cool.
Okay guys, so now that we got the exhaust welded on and I just painted where we welded, we're gonna build the plates for those holes there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the old brackets that holds the bumper, and well, then I'll show you what I'm gonna do to cover up those holes and make it look nice.
And we're gonna make it the same color as the car.
Yes, we're gonna make it the
We
same
wanted to
color
make
as
it
the
black, but I don't think it's gonna look that nice.
No,
I don't know.
it's
I'm
gonna
afraid it's not gonna match.
Yeah, so we're just gonna make it orange and then we'll show you what we're gonna do.
Cool.
guys, so this is what we made to fit in those holes. I hope it will look nice, or I think it will look nice. But it's late now, as you can see it's dark, so we'll catch you again in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and those plates we painted are touch dry now.
Yeah.
So we can finally throw that on and then continue with the rest of the small things we have to do. Okay guys, so we took off the hood because we didn't paint those brackets for the hood. So
We're gonna make them black
we're
as
just
well.
gonna remove them and then paint them
Black.
black, yes.
Yeah, and we're gonna, the back is basically complete now. We'll just, when that plate is dry, we'll just adjust it nicely to fit it in.
Yes,
In that
so we did
space.
fit it nicely, but it's still wet, so we don't want like fingerprints on the paint. So
Yeah,
we'll just leave it for another day and then we'll
Yeah.
just adjust them.
yeah, we're not gonna leave it like that. So yeah, so now let's continue, then spray these and then continue putting on all the final pieces to get it complete for the
Yes.
photo shoot on Monday. Okay guys, so as you can see, he's busy figuring out the wiring, the brake lights and then the front lights in front. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna do something else just to save some time for the photo shoot for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna install the last bit of pieces that we have to do for the interior, like all the door knobs and handles and armrests and stuff like that, and some few pieces on the dashboard as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, it's on.
Right?
Brakes. Yep. Nice, man. I'm happy. Now it's just what? The blinkers or what?
The indicator lights and the reverse lights that we still have to put here.
Cool, and the front light is also working, right?
Only one.
Only one. Okay, but yeah, we'll figure it out before tomorrow.
Yeah, we still have to connect the plug to the other light actually.
Oh,
and the other one
okay.
will work.
Okay, cool. Almost there.
Almost there. Okay guys, so we got most of the stuff to work, like the RLs and the tail lights and the brake lights and one of the lights. I can't find wires on the other light, I don't know why. But anyway, it's midnight now and we have to get up early tomorrow morning to finish the last things and wash the car for the photo shoot.
So we'll catch you guys then in the morning.
So we'll catch you in the morning.
Cool.
So it's actually the next day guys, and we just jumped to work this morning. We washed the car and detailed it and done some few stuff that we still needed to do. But now we are gonna go to the photo shoot show, and yeah, we'll drive there now.
We'll catch you there.
Okay guys, so it's actually the next day. We hope you enjoyed all the videos from the photo shoot and also the photos from all the cars and the Golf. So this is actually gonna be our last dedicated video for the Golf. We are gonna release 2 more videos where we're gonna do a 10 minutes time lapse, and we're also gonna do like a 4K reveal with the price reveal. That's also gonna be a very short video. And then we're gonna start with the Beetle, and hopefully we get our new project
Very soon,
Very
sooner than
soon.
we think.
Yes.
By the time those videos are basically released, I hope the new project is here.
this year. Yeah, so that's our hopes for now. But thanks for watching guys, and if you haven't, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers.